So this is Nversion's NTime. Now, NTime is a 7-day cyclical schedule that is time-driven, not event-driven. In other words, you give it an event to do at a particular day at a particular time, and that's what it's going to do. There's no limitation to the number of events you can have at the same time, or no limitation to how many you can have in a schedule. If we come over here, we'll look. The second column again, you specify what day that you want to have something occur, and then the time. And then over here, there's a list, and it's a variable list. It's configurable, but we have our choice of play, record, switch, which is just take an into and out, note, which is to put a note, and delete if there's material that you wanted to delete that you can specify what time and day they want that to happen. This particular schedule is just a demo schedule, but you can see what we've done is tried to take Dr. Phil. It works great for classrooms that have certain times to do, or it has record scheduling, or playout schedules can actually be run from here. In this case, we sort of created a simulation of taking Dr. Phil here and recording his Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, if you don't need the material after that anymore, you can go ahead and say delete Dr. Phil. But to give you an example, I'm just going to insert an event. And today is Saturday here in Salt Lake. So I'm going to come down and choose Saturday. And I'm going to do a record from satellite to server 1. Now, since it's a server, we need to give it a name. So we'll call it Demo Rec 2. And we're going to say, if we look at the clock up, it's about 1400 hours. Right now, we'll say 1430, and you can see that machine controls come up and said that it's idle. In a few seconds, it should queue the device, which it just did. It queued it. There's unfortunately no video here to watch. It's just connected up to a machine downstairs. And in a few seconds, it's going to start the record and switch the router from satellite to server 1. And in 30 seconds, there'll be whatever was on the input of that recorder will be on the video server. Well, that's about it for NTime. If you have any more questions, we'd appreciate it. Give us a call or contact us here at Nversion. We'll be glad to give you more information.